Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya, Maya's Makeup. Some of you may know me and some of you may not, but if you don't, you should really click that subscribe button so you can get to know me. So today I'm doing like an easy fall makeup look. I found some new products and stuff that I do like, and I'm gonna show them to you guys and let you guys, do your thing with them too. Yeah. I already did my brows off camera. I have my hair wrapped because I'm trying to have it laid for today, you feel me? But I'm gonna go ahead and start off. I'm using some of my, sorry if my voice is a little raspy, like, I feel like I'm getting sick or something. Something's going on, I don't know what it is. So I'm gonna use some of my Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Chestnut. And I'm just gonna apply this onto both of my lids. I don't wanna use like a super light base today because that's gonna cause that's not gonna make this easy. That's gonna make this a little bit harder, So if we're going for an easy type of look, we're gonna make it a little bit more easier for us. And I'm using a Morphe M335 brush just to brush it out. It's just a big fluffy brush like this. It just makes it a little bit more easier. And I don't know why I just jumped straight into this. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, and most importantly subscribe because you're here for a ride. So I went to Sephora a couple weeks ago and I was checking out this brand named Kaja Beauty, and I saw they had these little, they're called bento boxes, beauty bento, and it's super cute because basically it has all 3 different eyeshadows in one little tiny thing. I found like this is super easy, quick for people if you're going to work, if you're going to running late to class, going to school, doing anything like that. I just find it very easy and quick to just boop, boop, done. So I'm gonna be trying this out today. I might even try out, they have this link stamp thing too, and we'll see how we like them. And I'll show you guys a few of my other favorite products that are very easy to work with also. So I'm gonna first start off with this shade right here. It doesn't tell me the name of this shade, but this whole set is called the Glowing Guava, and it's actually really pretty. So I'm just gonna tap in. I've already done this look before just because I want to see how it looks before putting it out to the world, Some pat pat pat. But these little shadows to come into those little tiny bento boxes, they're really pigmented. Not even gonna lie, I'm kind of shook at these shadows. Now after that shade, the next shade that's on here is a lighter pink shade. Actually no, that's the shimmer. But the first shade that's on here is a lighter pink shade that I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna use too much of it, but just a little bit. I find that it did help it's blending, transitioning a little bit, Perfect. And this is my favorite part. So since it's super easy and simple, now they added a shimmer in there. So the shimmer is very pretty. I'm using is this Morphe? No, I'm using a Sigma E55 brush to apply on this shadow. So I'm just gonna rub it all in there, And just apply that shadow primarily in the center by just tapping it on there first. I just personally really like this shadow. And what I do to kind of just make it all go together, because you can obviously see it's not blended, is I'll just go right here and just blend these 2 little parts together. Okay. Just go right here and blend these 2 little parts together. So then they do look more seamlessly blended. Kind of okay, that was supposed to be there, I'm gonna wet my brush by using some of my Anastasia Beauty Setting Spray. Like that. And I'm gonna go back in with that shimmer shade. So this one right here. Boop, boop, boop. And just pat on right here in the center. It just helps add that extra little type of feeling. So what I do after that, I've already applied my primer. I'm using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer today. And I'm going to go over that with some of my Laura Mercier powder. I'm just going to kind of tap my face with some leftover powder that I have. Just because I've noticed that right now my skin is so freaking oily where I'm just sweating a lot. I think it's just, I'm sweating a lot. Because I live in LA, you feel me? So we get hot. We get real hot over here. I'm just saying, we do. I personally like blending out my foundation and my concealers with my beauty blenders. I find it leaves a more flawless base for me. So today I'm going to be using the Full Spectrum CoverGirl Matte Ambition Foundation. It's like all day shine free, and that's what they mean. But I don't know, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I think I'm using the wrong shade, but we gonna make it work. Because right now my skin is like all over the place. Like, it's light in some areas, it's dark in some areas. Obviously I have uneven skin tone, but at the same time, like, I think it's because I'll be outside sometimes, and then like sometimes I'm in the house a lot, so my skin sometimes light, sometimes not. My skin's confused, I'm confused, yeah. But I do see like it blends out very well. I love this freaking foundation. I don't really touch my forehead too much, just a little bit, not too much. I will also touch my forehead with bronzer and stuff like later on throughout the process. And for concealer, I'm going to be using 2 different concealers. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Chestnut Concealer. But then I like to put maple, just a little bit of maple. A little teeny, a little tiny bit of maple right here. And now we sit. And in between that time, taking this off, we're just gonna get her on right. Okay, so my concealers have been on my face for a pretty long time now. So now I'm just gonna blend them out. So I love this freaking concealer. Like, you guys don't understand. This is the best concealer. And I'm just gonna put a little bit right here, not too much, kind of just blend it down just cause, you know, I do have a little dark area right here, just a little dark. But what I am gonna use next is some of my Laura Mercier powder. Y'all, like, Laura Mercier is that girl. I just wish that they had a shade in between the translucent and the deep. Yeah, I feel like that shade would be like perfect. Or one that's just a little bit more like golden, you know, and not so orange. Now that would be bomb. Obviously, as you can see, she's a little, you know, not my color, but I'm gonna get her together, okay? But the way I get her together, basically, sorry, I'm just extra, I had to. And I just found like a recent obsession with bronzers. I've been using the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie Bronzer, and she has been doing the damn thing. So just apply a little bit right here. Alright, sorry about that, you guys. My camera, you know, overheated again. I'm getting used to my Rebel T6i camera. I haven't even like touched it, it's just in there, but I'm like learning about it basically. I use some of my Fit Me. This is the shade Berry Bay, I think, Berry Bay. Yeah, number 55, the Maybelline Fit Me blush. I like that one a lot. And I also use the Milani After Dark eyeliner, Stay Put. Bomb, love it. I for sure need to fix this frontal. But that's what I do know. I'm just gonna use some of the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. It literally just allows for my face to look snatchified, you know what I mean? But it lets me look snatchified and also just gives a nice dewy glow at the same time, so I'm not like looking dried out from all the powders that I used, you know? But now I like to set my face. I'm gonna be using the Dewy Set Setting Spray from ABH. It smells so good. It smells like coconuts. But you see, that just brings me to life, like. And I'm gonna be using my favorite highlighter ever. This is the Kiko highlighter in the shade 235. I love this one so much. It just adds on that nice little extra. I'm here, you know, just out here doing the thing. The norm. The Physicians Formula, the Butter Highlighter. I love them so much. Like, Physicians Formula, hit your girl up, because I seriously always use your products. I'm just gonna put a little bit right there just to make it pop. Yes, okay. Now for my lips, I'm gonna use my normal lippies, you know, the ones with my old faithfuls. And I'm gonna put on these lashes. These are the So Fly lashes by Jade Cosmetics. I actually really like Jade Cosmetics lashes. And I'm using some of my lash glue, the Duo one. I completely forgot about trying this out, you guys. So it's like a wink stamp thing. So I'm thinking, let's see. It's like an eyeliner stamp. Oh, this is for the right, the left eye, so for this eye. Okay. Oh, she works. You have to just clean it up a little bit, but she works. Okay, that's cute. And then it came with like a regular eyeliner too. So let me just put a little bit on her. So like it basically just creates the whole wing for you, but all you have to do is like go in with your original, well, with the eyeliner that they put in the same package and clean it up, you know? This mascara is really, really bomb, especially for people with short lashes, aka me. It works very, very well. And it's more so on the affordable side. So if you like on a budget, this is the mascara for you. I just like to use this little smaller one that I got. It's like a little travel size Maybelline Colossus mascara. This is also another one of my favorites. And I just like to use this one to get on the bottom lashes right here. Now it's time to apply those lashes, y'all. Okay. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the shade Cork. Let's see what she looks like. Oh yeah, I'm using Cork. Cork is pretty. This is Dose of Colors. Oh, that's really pretty, y'all. I'm loving this. Okay. And now I'm gonna use a little bit of the Girls Got Needs shade just in that part right here. So I feel like that just really brings this look together. But I'm really liking this lippy. Like, it looks bomb. I feel cute. So let me just finish up the rest of my, you know, hair and my look and get back to y'all. 1 second. That looks pretty, y'all. Like, we did that. That's bomb.